It is Friday, the 18th, October 18th, 2024, 8:07 a.m. And it looks like the supplier, the main supplier of McDonald's fries, named Lamb Weston, I believe that's the name of the company, an Idaho-based, Idaho Potatoes, Idaho-based company, has closed its door and has let go of at least 4% of its workforce. And this is according to News Nation. I got it off my device, of course, by David Markham. The CEO of Lamb Weston, Tom Warner, blames the $5 meal on its closure. And they highlighted it in blue. Like that's the main reason why. But you know what? I wonder if the same potatoes I ate from Howlin Raised come from the same place. I think that would be too much information for me right now. Don't you think? Them were some big fries. Even though I bought them the day before yesterday, I finally ate them for a snack last night. I threw them in the microwave. Big, old-fashioned crisp-cut fries. And they were still okay. I only put like a minute and 30 seconds on it. Just enough. Off and on. But it says, or they say, maybe the pundits, that McDonald's probably do all right because they got some other suppliers here and there. And the organization sound, what's it, the Lamb, what did I say? Well, whatever I said, the name of the company from Idaho is, they're restructuring and doing everything else. But the Washington plant had closed down. But you know what? McDonald's fries are all right. I think the fries I had the other day was fantastic fries. Too many fries are not good for you anyway, but it depends on what is cooked in it, right? Well, anyway, you know the story. I have to keep saying that. Corner Bakery, baby. My vanilla sweet cream. It'll do it. And this time I got the avocado wrap, and they actually cut it. So it must depend on who's doing it, when, and how. I guess I shouldn't be worried about that, whether it's cut or uncut. Just so long as it's good tasting, got the eggs, the avocado, no meat this time. You know I usually eat the turkey, what is that, chicken sausage. Sometimes I get it mixed up. Vegetarian with egg. And they only gave me the one sauce. That's good enough. Well, anyway, this is Robin Shop. I'll see you in my next video. The fries. And I just had some McDonald's fries the other day with their Big Mac chicken. You know, I guess some people really do think their fries is all that. But we know that there are a lot of fast food companies out there that got some great fries. I mean, some really fries. And yeah, I'm still impressed by the Howlin' Ray's French fries. See you in my next video, folks. Talk to you later.